By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of the results of doing 30 push-ups daily for 30 days. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you committed to doing 30 push-ups every day for a month? Today, we're diving into the incredible results of this challenge, from muscle gains to overall fitness improvements. Throughout this video, we'll cover the transformational effects of daily push-ups on your upper body strength, endurance, and physique. You'll see real-time progress and hear personal insights from those who've taken on this challenge. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. From day 1 to day 30, witness the journey and discover how consistent effort can lead to significant gains. We'll break down the correct form for maximum results and highlight common mistakes to avoid. In conclusion, whether you're a beginner looking to build foundational strength or someone aiming for a fitness breakthrough, the 30-day push-up challenge offers remarkable benefits. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. 1 second lesson: maximize gains with Dynamize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic.